Okay, so my name is Ipshit and she's my wife Isha, and around
September
last month
2016, mid of September 2016.
Yeah, we decided that we want to migrate to Canada, and we had no clue absolutely what to do, how to
Totally
go about
random
it.
decision.
Totally random decision.
Yeah.
And the first time I came to Abhinav and I met Mr. Rajiv, and he asked me what my basic qualifications was, what my experience is, and evaluated us, and gave me a brief score as in what my chances of making it to Canada are. Is it good, is it bad? So he told me we stand a good chance, and we got we hired them as a consultant for us. And post that, I gave my resume to. I got a case manager assigned first, Vinny Verma, and so she was wonderful all throughout the way for us.
Quite professional. So
very
she used to
professional.
follow up, remember?
Yeah. So we gave her. I've got my passport stamp now, and so is my wife. So this
Here
was.
it is. We've
this
got a
was-
Canada visa
I'll
stamp
show you.
here.
I'll show you. Let's show it
And
together. No?
it's a very, I don't know, it's like an emotional moment for us because when we came here, we had no idea that we take a flight to Canada. And
now
as
that
the
we have
days
booked
are
it, now we are thinking about where to stay, how we're gonna
Yeah.
adjust there. I know the dream is coming true. We have our fears, and so it's
and
all
not
part
even
of the
ours,
journey.
it's our parents' dream too.
Yeah.
Like every parent has this dream that their
My
kids
kids
will grow up and they'll
Go
do
out,
something big in life.
Yeah. So,
So, yeah.
big day for us, and we soon plan to move to Canada, and totally excited about it. Mixed feelings of leaving India, and the joy
How
of
much time
being
it
there.
took you to get the visa?
So we submitted our passport on the very next day that we got our request to submit it, and within 4 days we got a mail from them saying that you can collect it back from us. So yeah, within 4 days we got our visa stamped.
And the next day we booked our tickets.
Yeah.
So yeah, it was a very quick decision for
When did
both
you
of us.
file that application? Means how long it took you to got the process done for the under the express entry program?
Under the express entry program, we hired you in around October last year. I gave my IELTS in September and October. Then we made our profile and entered the pool on 7th of January. On 11th of January, we got our ITA request. Our ITA. And then we
March.
took around 2.5 months. On 22nd of March, we submitted our entire profile with all the documents. And from there, it took us exactly 3 months and 5 days. On 27th of June, we got our PPR request mail to share our passport. And from there, in another 4 days, we got our visa stamped. So it was a very, very quick process. And the main reason for that is, the perfect documents that we had right from the start till the end, because a lot of other cases we have seen where the documentation is not perfect, so those cases get held up and they are not being processed on time. So ours was, everything was top notch, and thoroughly checked and rechecked. So
And thanks
for
to
that,
Abhinav team.
Special thanks to Vinny for that. So I have eaten her head a lot. I've picked her brains so much. what needs to be done now, and at every step. So there was expert guidance at all points of time for us. There was no need for us to worry at all. All our documents, we gave it to her. She compiled them, checked it, asked us to recheck it. So basically the documentation was spot on, which is the core of this process, I think. So the documentation is good, you are good to go.
And I think we can totally recommend this to
Absolutely.
everybody around
I've
us.
already
In
recommended.
fact,
I don't know how many people have reached out to you.
Since we have got our PPRs, our friends have started asking us the process.
Yeah.
What's the process now, and who did you hire about this? And I think I've recommended Abhinav to a lot of people in my office too.
I have recommended a lot of people.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you.
Thank you so
Abhinav
much.
team.
Big cheers
for,
to you guys. Thank you so much for helping us realize our dream.
Thank you.
Thank you.